Hello and welcome to another episode of Latest Update. The topic of discussion is atrocities against Dalits. A government report highlights the alarming rate of atrocities against scheduled castes in India. Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan and Madhya Pradesh are identified as the top states for these cases. In 2022, Uttar Pradesh recorded 23.78% of the total atrocities with 12,287 cases. The report reveals that nearly 97.7% of all cases are concentrated in 13 states. Statistics on cases. A total of 51,656 cases were registered under the Scheduled Caste Law in 2022. Charge sheets were filed in 60.38% of SC related cases. For scheduled tribes, 63.32% of cases resulted in charge sheets. Approximately 14.78% of SC cases and 14.71% of ST cases were concluded without action due to false claims or insufficient evidence. The report underscores the need for better data and resources to address these issues. Geographical concentration. The majority of atrocities against SCs and STs are reported from just 13 states. This concentration suggests systemic issues in specific regions. The states with the highest number of cases may require targeted interventions. The report indicates that these regions face ongoing challenges related to caste-based violence. Addressing the root causes of these atrocities is essential for effective prevention. Implications for policy and society. The findings call for a reassessment of policies aimed at protecting Dalits. There is an urgent need for increased enforcement of the Scheduled Castes and Scheduled Tribes Prevention of Atrocities Act. Community awareness and education on Dalit rights may help in reducing atrocities. Support systems for victims need strengthening to ensure justice is served. Policymakers must engage with local communities to understand and combat caste-based violence effectively. Now it's time for the practice question. How many total cases were registered under the SC law in 2022? 30,000, 51,656, 70,000 or 40,000? Send us the answer in the comment section. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.